Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the dispenser drawer nozzle hose. The reason why we might have to do this is because it's leaking water. For this repair, we'll be using a flathead screwdriver, a screwdriver with a VT20 star bit, and a pair of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this will be the washer that we're using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. First thing we're going to do is we're going to shut the water off. And now we're going to get our washer turned around. And now we're going to disconnect the hoses. So we're going to use a pair of channel locks and turn them. And you might also want to make sure you have either towels or a bucket standing by, because there will most likely still be water in your lines. Now we have to remove the 3 screws holding the top piece on, and to do that we're going to use a VT20 star bit. And now that the screws are off, we can pull the top back and then it should lift right off. Now we need to remove this clamp here as well. So what I'm going to do, since it's all the way underneath, I can't really get to it. I'm just going to use this flathead screwdriver in order to push it over a little bit so that it gets to a point where I actually can grab it with my channel locks or a pair of pliers. Now I'll use my channel locks and I'll grab on, and we'll just move that back till it's not on the plastic there anymore, and we should be able to just pull this off now. Now we're just taking our clamp off of our old hose here, and again, just use the channel locks for that. If it's too tight, let's pull it out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement hose. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And we're just going to put the clamp back on the hose now, down a little bit, so that we can now put the hose back onto this piece right here. We'll slide it on as far as we can. And now we'll use our channel locks. Grab that and just work it back on. And get it all the way up so that it's locked into place. There we go. Now we'll just use the channel locks again. And we're going to rotate our clamp. Now I'm just going to use a screwdriver and finish that off. Just use that to push it so that it's down, because if you leave the clamp facing upwards, you're going to have issues when you go to put the top back on. Now we'll put the top of the washer back on. So we'll slide that down and then push it forward and into place. And now we'll screw the screws back in. And now we can reattach our water hoses. Now we can turn the water back on, make sure there's no leaks, and plug everything else in. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.